control. We say PCB was already
yesterday we
blockage.
segregate because we already understand that if the alarm failed due to the failure of the transmitter itself, we consider the failure for the control valve itself.
Yeah. So what we considered yesterday is we don't say loop failure, we say PCB or whatever control valve fully open or fully closed. So it's nothing to do with the loop. It's part of the loop, but one.
The transmitter still detect code.
Yes. So
yeah, okay, I removed it. Okay.
and that is really less for that. Then there we have to that.
Yes, I go with Khalid what is saying. So we are not saying control loop. We are saying PCB closes mechanically by
Let's not say control loop. I think everywhere we already mentioned this malfunction open, right? No mention about control loop.
Yes, correct. We and
independent also.
And I can also make one assumption here. By assumption we can make if in case of alarm, right, control loop, right, any sorry, causes related to high and low alarm, maybe pressure flow anything, maybe, right? PRE pressure flow level ETC. Team has considered only valve P control valve, CONT control valves failure instead of mechanically.
Instead of overall control loop failure.
Yeah, mechanically or electrically. Instead of overall control
loop failure.
Failure. Yes, you are right. I mean, this is a good suggestion, because when you read this report, you should make a sense. Good, Khalid. Thank you, man.
Okay.
So, guys, please, intervene if you feel that we need to have some assumption. So, please intervene so that you get correct report and it is readable report. Thank you very much, Khalid. Okay, guys. So this we have seen, and now we will go for the second stage separator, right?